final lipo akatopinda mufinal kucup clash yakaitwa naMudara Chippers. Amana ngatimbomberera maoko Mudara Chippers amana. Ndiye Ijima Wanesh. Let's welcome on stage Konangale. I want to uplift them tonight. And it since I qualify to start that, you know what I take collab which is good. You know what I think? Channels we have on, Lipo we have on. I used to clash the boys. Wafana wagato manager kupinga them same fair now. Each changa ura yawa nutukwentish kuka clash. Kati momomere mawako mkomana. Listen on. Lipo akapinda twice mu final ngati mombere moko mfano ize champion. Janozi akapinda mu semi final ku cup clash kumafuku cup clash ndiye akaenda ne motikari ya Boscott ngati mombere moko mfano. Right. So Shangirati ndite right now and it's not like a class of now. Not wangura tiza talent now. Ripa combination right now. Are you ready? Channels, I see clash tonight. Ukifana kuzarwa nasi. Monday, Lipo channels, Twitter collab over choose for Goma levels. Mokazira beat hardcore please. Alright, start it now. Ingo itezo mono never stage.
Talk to me, my father. Here's the founding of that.
Yeah, Because this is why I know you
Tilingi. Tondo, kuna mkoma fantani. Hanzi fantani washika. Hanzi virodu burenyika. Kuna ngale mwanane sika. Levosi, unemkombe. Tanzu kwa mbiri ya kwe ombe.
Mayo.
Daddy man,
keep them, proof them, got them, me I go put them, give me the lighter. Sorry my Stephen, we love you to the fullest.
Ucheme, usacheme popo.
Man, nekaka kangu kadigi kanda utaura.
Taura tinzo po, usacheme.
Akano tuchemeza man.
Chichi kuneza bana.
Ndinakasokonyeza kangu kande tutengero chocolate nzeze.
Kakuita se.
Nasikazo ngomuka chikuzera kashandide. Kakufuta zokundirambire. Azezi dara kurono mokagero nezile ne problem.
Ezuda.
Manje dzitse makandona nemskana achitaimira ba. Ndoti mundi mamise. Tenita mtije. Makati. Ndipeteze. Isindeze kubuka mjole. Aniti. Ngamina mshikozi. Ayoni mamise.
Bunu wesane.
Ayoni mamise.
Atite tese.
Ayoni mamise.
No.
Ayoni mamise. One job. Ayoni mamise. Mukandiona ine mskana. Nerudoti nakufikana. Mukandiona ndichitaimira ndinenge ndava kutovarairwa. Toraisha mugondibhura. Zaite zvokuda kunditsura. Zverude izvi ndezvekushaya. Zverude izvi ndezvekushaya.
Amana, come here. Amana, come here, please. Dokumbero amana tuombere maoko afana yoda. This is the future of Zimbabwe. Kana usinga rwadzio omberera after 10 years. Takupa uchamaika takadaiso, waizo. Yes, thank you very much. Big up Kanangale.